here at the arena in San Juan. We're back with you for the coverage of Studio 23 and ABS-CBN Sports for women's volleyball, the finals. It's been a great year, and it ends with these two schools, number 1 and number 2, going into the finals. Probably 2 games, probably 4 more games. We never know. We can't tell.
We are wishing for 4 more games.
And if they are only 2 games, exciting 2 games, I'm sure.
But so far,
yep,
these 2 squads has not disappointed the crowd here at the arena.
LaSalle wants to finish this in 2 games, but Ateneo has other plans. But this lead has gone up to 4, and Coach Roger will call a timeout.
Bagal-bagal nung pasok mo. Ang bagal-bagal nung taas ng bola. Eh di yung dalawang malalaking blocker nakatapat. Pagdating sa'yo, haharumpakin mo. Hindi ganyan ang play ng quick. Pakagatin mo muna. Hindi yung pwedeng ang bagal, malalaki blocker natin eh. Di ipatong mo, magpasensya muna, ibigay mo sa pato. Yung balikan ng bola, bigla mo ibibigay dun sa quick. Ha? Tingnan nyo muna yung blocker nyo, huwag kayong palo ng palo.
First time in their history, they get to the finals. First time they had a twice-to-beat advantage in the semifinals. Best record so far also in their history after the elimination games at 11-3. LaSalle, though, champions of 2000, 2004, 2005, 2006, 09, and 2011.
Oh, and winning that joust by a violation, an overreaching violation called against the Lady Spikers. No, it's a one team with a lot of championship history, and another team trying to make history this season.
Ateneo, of course, one of 2 teams that hasn't won a championship in the UAP, Adamson being the other. But Adamson already
came close.
Oh, they were close. They had a 1-0 lead actually against FPU and lost the next 2 games. Meantime, this lead is down to 2 again. It's the same music.
Rhythm, diba?
Yep.
And again, they've been going to that spot, and no antidote still on the side of the Lady Eagles. Same spot.
Well, you know what they say. You know it's coming, but it's still tough to stop, really. The Angeles native from the AUF program. Aragalang serving. Their lead is 3. Gumabaw.
Just on top of the situation on that last play, Michelle Gumabaw. Look at the accuracy on that hit.
19 serving 15. Will there be another Ateneo run? Quick.
Yes, and no, with the help of the net, takes that. They will take it whatever way. But then playing catch up. And this is the moment if they want to string up some points.
All right. Cruz easily taking the serve and getting the attack. 50-50 ball goes to LaSalle. And it's Gumabaw again. Second touch, Kainglet goes for it. Chance for LaSalle here. And they go up to the captain. Ferrer. Back to Phil. Z.
Oh! Dear Basho.
You know, Valdez was also asking for it at the other side.
But it was a short set, so Dear Basho taking it. It was a bit low, though.
And that's what the LaSalle defense can do. It really changes the way you attack them.
Basang-basa na kasi it was only Phil who can't take that ball kasi si Gretchen wala na, nasa malapit na siya sa net. So, LaSalle easily reading the play.
Quick to Gretchen. It catches the line.
And you know, Gretchen has a very high percentage when it comes to kills. You see another one, a Be Quick.
Sila ni Nakachi have been
di ba?
Surprising.
Hindi masyadong nabibigyan, pero pag binigyan, almost a sure point.
Sorry, let me rephrase that. They're not surprising. They're surprising their opponents. Hindi na tayo nagugulat dahil alam naman natin
Ito yung mga
pinagagawa nila.
tinatanong mo kanina, yung mga surprises, di ba? Na you only get to see in the finals.
Oh, Chacruz is guilty of touching the net. The lead is down to 2 again.
Blanco yung utak mo eh. Ay, nako. Hindi pa pwedeng ganun. Palo na ng palo, nakita yung tao ibabao. Eh, tingnan mo yung dumidepensa kung nasaan. Hindi natin nakikita yung dumidepensa, palo lang tayo ng palo eh. Okay? So, ganun yan. Sipo na tayo, that's block. Layo nyo nalagay yung score nyo. Hindi pwede yan, lahat ng error lang nangyari. Go.
All the titles of LaSalle belong to that guy, Coach Ramil De Jesus.
He has been in this situation so often.
Well, 11.
Oh, di ba?
11 times.
Kasi, look at him, kahit mabilis siya magsalita, you know, the calmness is
Oh,
there. He's not even directing a specific instruction. Laging generalized pa. He's letting the girls play.
I've said it so many times in previous years. There's no coach who can bring in as much instructions in 30 seconds than Coach Ramil De Jesus. Nobody can match it. Nobody can match it. It's a talent. 11 finals appearances, 8 straight under him. I mean, 172 wins and
Grabe.
47 losses. That's crazy. It's a crazy number. Just like this game, it's been crazy so far. Ferrer. Reverse set to Phil. Maranya was there. Chance for Chacruz. They take it.
Oh, and that's a one-handed save. Not enough for a spike coming from Chacruz.
Yun na naman yung 2-point lead.
Laging may 2-point gap. Hindi makalapit-lapit ang Ateneo.
Let's see if Reyes will target Denden Lazaro here. Basha takes it. Quick to Nakachi. This time, Galang was there. Great reflexes.
Kanina pa yun siya, using her elbows, using her shoulders.
But she's only human. And she can make a mistake every now and then. As it's a low set here.
But makikita mo, risk taker pa rin talaga eh.
Oh,
Diba?
yeah.
Even with the low set, just try to go for it.
Valdez. Oh, still. Naabot pa rin ni Maranyo. So this time, she put some mustard into that.
Going through Esmeralda.
Are you kidding me? We're at 21 all again.
Ganun, sabi ko tumakbo ka, pumesto ka. Hindi nakadepensa yan, hanggang ka sa pwesto ka lang, masakit sa tumaga sa labas. Open spiker ka eh. Hindi ka pwede nasa loob lang. Nakakalimutan mo yan eh. Hindi mo ba yung nasa loob ka lang? Walang hindi pinatawag na play sa'yo eh. Kung hindi ang na-play, tak mo. Kaya yan, Abing, labas kang lagi. Mag-isip ka lang ang hindi na mabuti yung tao mo. Kasi muna tayo.
Even the veterans need reminders every now and then. And for those, Mosey, watching volleyball on TV for the very first time and might think, these are harsh coaches that we have in volleyball, the way they talk to their players. We've seen this, and this is how it is, really.
And you know, in the finals, lalo na, no, in a finals game, you need a lot of reminders. Tama lang yun.
Kita mo, pumawi ka agad.
Right away, Chacruz responding with a timeout.
You know, this is the difference between volleyball and basketball also. The quick adjustments from point to point, because the game is so fast. You have to forget everything that happened previously right away and move on.
Forgive yourself and forget as Eliza Valdez using the blocker to get that 22nd point and tie up with the score.
1 set all, 22 all. Finals.
22.
Between LaSalle and Ateneo. Chance for Ateneo to get the lead. Herbacio puts it away. Oh, yung reaction ni Coach Roger.
Yup, and credit half that point. Alam niya na kagad nung binigay ni Jem Kazee, alam niya that he has that chance to lead this game. To lead this set. Tama Kazee dapat talaga binigay.
Emotional swings in this game. Oh, Lazaro with a great save. Off speed, chance for LaSalle here. They go to Galang. Checked at the net.
Miscue between Esperanza and Maranyo.
Ateneo with a set point. Would you want to pay money to read what's in his head right now? Oh, the fans are into it here at the arena. 24, serving 22. Jem takes it. Herbacio goes to Valdez. Sent back. Back set. See. Yeah. What a block.
This time, look at the adjustment of De La Salle. Sila lang, they were able to adjust.
Yeah.
They knew that Z was going to get the ball.
That's a great point, Moisey. That's a great point. You deal with the trouble on your own.
Yes, by themselves.
Hindi po pwede tayo na gusto na natin pumuntos sa atake. Kaya ang atake natin, ginagtalo na natin ng diretso. Ang kalaban nyo, tinatapon palabas. So, yun lang gusto natin atake. Sinasano lang tayo. Diba? Kapag na ganun, target tayo, block ng maayos. Kaya ng block ng maayos. Okay? Tara, nakita mo na kung saan natin yung bola. Okay?
Now, let us surprise ourselves with what Ateneo is going for a play, at least to close out
because
this set.
LaSalle is serving. They're down 1 point, 23-24.
Let's see.
And the crowd getting into it.
And look at the position of Ateneo. They are going for a new play. Let me tell you that. Tingnan natin.
Kaya nagtawag ng timeout din eh.
Yup. Let's see. Not a pretty first ball again. Oh, and see.
Oh.
Taking it. Woo!
Down 1 set. They lead 2 sets to 1. They're in the same position that they were at the end of the elimination round. You cannot count out LaSalle
Oh, definitely not.
in terms of coming back. But having said that, this is a great morale booster for the upstart Ateneo de Manila University. Back in a moment.